Hello friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app and today we'll learn about reports. Here you will find the option reports. So now here you will find summary reports, detailed reports and inventory reports. In the summary reports you will find options like categories, employee report, item report, payment report, profit and loss report, sales, supplier and taxes report. While in the detailed reports, you will find supply, customers and employees report. In the inventory, you will find reports related to stock like inventory, low inventory and inventory summary. So let's say you want to explore profit and loss report. So you'll click on this. Here, you have to input the profit and loss report data. So you'll select the date range. Now sale type, sales or return or all, let's say all. Then stock location, so this you can choose and then click on submit. See, the profit and loss report data is displayed here. Now let's say you want to export this data. So you'll click on this, choose the file format as CSV and the file will be automatically sent and exported to your desktop. Alright, so now let's say once you have exported profit and loss report data, you want to also try for some other reports. Let's quickly explore that. Here we have sales report. We'll click on this. Again, we'll select the sale type, data range, store location or stock location and we'll click on submit. The data will appear here. So that's exactly how you can explore all the reports or any of the reports available with us. It could be in the inventory section, it could be in the detailed report section or the summary report. So yeah, that is all about reports. Hope this helps you. Thank you.